Hello guys, this is Madness Makeup, aka Caitlin. I am back. So I won a giveaway today and I'm also wearing my new glasses. I think you already seen them, but yeah, I really like them. So anyways, I'm just going to get right into it then. So, yeah, I'm gonna cut and I'll be right. So, today I want to give away from my friend. Her name is perkiperkins on YouTube. I'm gonna link her YouTube down below and her Instagram. So yeah, let's get right into it then. So the first thing that I won is the Cosmetics. It's a cleansing brush and a dual-sided silicone mask applicator, which is really good. So yeah. I'm excited to use those. And then I also want a Grow in Alchemy Biological Beauty Detox Night Cream, so it looks just like that. I won't be using that on video, but I'm gonna try it tonight and see how I like it. I was excited to get new skincare into my collection. And then this is the Illamasqua Unveiled Artistry Palette. So, let's open her up. I have essential oil, so this hand's a little slippery. Alright, I have essential oil on my hand. Oh, look how pretty this is. So it looks like it's pinkish brown. Ooh, these are beautiful. Oh wow. I like those pink shimmers especially. I really like this. It's a nice neutral palette with a pop of pink. And so they do give you shade names on this, on the plastic sheet, so you probably want to keep that. But wow, those are really beautiful. Vivacity. Okay, awesome. So I'm excited to use that today. And then we also have a Dose of Colors single eyeshadow, I believe. And this is in the shade Slinky. So let's go ahead and open that. Okay, it's called Block Party Eyeshadow and it's in the shade Slinky. Ooh. Okay, come on. There we go. Ooh, this is beautiful. It does come with a mirror. Wow, look how pretty that is. This will be really good for New Year's Eve. It's beautiful silver. Alright. And then the last thing that I got is the Half Caked Game Changer. So this is 3 lip fondants. They are vegan approved. And look how cute this packaging is. It's like a little card. Okay. So, ooh. You know, I don't think I have any of these shades actually. I do have one that I got in an Ipsy bag. So we got Theme Song, which is this like really pretty kind of rose brown color. And then this is Bordeaux, which is a pretty red color. And then this is Low Key, which is a really pretty pink. So I'm definitely excited to try these out. The pink is also kind of nudie as well. Alright, so I'm gonna go pop my contacts in and I'm gonna do all of my base makeup and prime my eyes and do my eyebrows, and I will be right back with you guys then. And we'll figure out what we're gonna do on our, well, we'll do one eye, I think. Yeah. Alright guys, so I decided that I'm gonna do a New Year's Eve tutorial as well. So, I'm gonna show you all the products I used on my face today. So, I started off with my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. And it looks like that. And then, since we have a Illamasqua palette with us today, I chose to use the Illamasqua Skin Base Foundation. What's this one? And then I use the Yenza BC concealer. This one's full coverage. And then I set my foundation today with the Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores pressed powder. It looks like that. And then I set and baked my concealer with the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Ghost. And so, today I used my item Cheek Money in the shade Vibes. This is a nice contour shade. And then for bronzer today I used the Desert shade in the Pacifica Rose and Coconut Infused Bronze and Blush. I swear I will use the blush. And then I use the Sugar Blush, and this is in the shade 01 Peach Peak. It's a nice cool toned one, like a cool toned peach color. Kind of cool toned. And then I use the new Body Pina Colada Sugar Lip Polish, and I'm gonna say this again, these ones are a little bit drying, so always use a lip scrub or like a good lip balm or lip polish, something like that. And then I put this under my eyebrows, so I use the BH Cosmetics Flawless Brow Highlighter and I use the matte side. And then for highlights today I use the NYX Away We Glow Liquid Highlighter, and this is in the shade Crystal Glare. And then I use the Estate Do Me Baked Highlighter in the shade Lit over that. And then for my eyebrows today I use the NYX Dip Shape Go Brow Pomade. And I think that's everything. Alright, so my eye is prepped on this side, so let's dip into this palette. Alright, so I think what I'm gonna do is I look crazy, oh my gosh. I'm gonna dip into the shade Assured, so it's this one right there. And we're gonna put that in our crease. So I'm gonna take my round crease brush from my BH Cosmetics Rose Quartz set. You already know what's up. This one doesn't have a number because I rubbed it off, so sorry about that. Alright, so I am dipping into that shade then. Now I'm gonna look over here. This palette does also come with a mirror, unlike the James Charles one. That's a big palette. Sorry, I've been working a lot with that one recently. Alright. Very pretty shades. They're very pigmented. Okay. So, then, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the shade Muse, which is this slightly darker one right here. And I'm also going to pop that in my crease with that same brush. So we are just layering over that first color. Alright, and then I'm going to take this Farrah blending brush, and this is the Blender Brush 25EL. And I'm just blending out those two colors together in windshield wiper motions. Alright, perfect. And then I'm gonna cut my crease. I've been doing a lot of cut creases lately. Need to throw in a halo eye sometime. Okay, so I'm gonna put that on, and then I'm gonna take this brush and spread that all around. I'm gonna blink so it gets my crease. Alright, perfect. So, then I'm gonna take that Dose of Colors Block Party single eyeshadow in the shade Slinky, and it looks very metallic. So I am going to dip my finger and we'll see how it goes on with your finger. Ooh, it's very pretty. It's really nice silver. That goes on, oh gosh. I'm a little crazy with the concealer. Alright, so I'm just putting that where I see concealer. It's very pretty. Wow. Alright, and then I'm just gonna go over that one more time. We're gonna make it really pop. Kind of going for like a full glam today. Nice, natural full glam though. Alright, so then I'm gonna take that matte dark brown in the shade Empower right there. And I'm going to take that on a pointer brush. That's not it. No. Alright, this one right here. This is a point brush. You can also take a pencil brush and do the same thing. So I'm just going to put that on. Alright, and I'm going to deepen up my outer V. Gonna give it a little shape as well. Alright, and I'm gonna take that Farrah blending brush and I'm gonna blend that out. Alright, and then I'm gonna go over that once again just to deepen it up quite a bit. Alright, and I'm gonna blend that out. Perfect. Alright, and then, these might, let me swatch Fearless and Zealous, these two shades right here, because they might be too dark for my inner corner. Yeah, let's see this one. Yeah, they are beautiful shades. I think I will just use my, oh my gosh, where'd it go? My Estate one, and so I'm gonna take this on this little tiny brush. This is in the rose quartz set as well. And this is number 9. And then I'm just going to put that all over my inner corner. And then I'm also going to take this little tiny BH Cosmetics brush. This is the number 12 brush from their festival set, their green one. And I'm just going to put that on under my brow. Found the perfect use for this brush. I'm pretty sure that's what it was supposed to be used for anyways. Alright, looking really good. And actually, I think I missed a little bit on my eye, so I'm gonna fix that really quick. Alright, perfect. Alright. And this is what that one looks swatched as well. It's really pretty. I think it does have a little bit of glitter in it, but that's okay. I don't mind. As long as it's not like big glitter, like what I did for my Christmas look, we're good. Here. Alright, so I'm going to do the other eye off camera. I'm going to do my eyeliner, and we will be back to test out these lipsticks. I'll see which one works best for me. I was going to use a Illamasqua lipstick, but I did get the half-caked lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, so yeah. Let me be right back. Alright guys, so sorry, my eyes are clearly two different shapes, because this one looks really good and this one, anyways, there's magnetic eyeliner on there, it's just, that's how my eyes are shaped. So, I use the Sephora Fine Line Felt Liner. This is a felt tip, and I used it for my wings. And then, I use the Almay Multi-Benefit Mascara that is ophthalmologist tested for contacts. And then I use the Moxie Lash Liquid Magnetic Eyeliner, and I use the Moxie Lash Classy Lash Style. Classy Lash. Alright, so this is the half-caked lipstick that I own. It's like, it looks red, but it's very pink. So, it's in the shade Sweet Tooth, and it's cute. It has like little hearts and stuff where the O's are supposed to be. These ones don't do that, unfortunately. So, I think the best one that would go with this look is probably Low Key. So it's this really pretty pink shade. I would choose the red, but you didn't use that dark of colors in my crease. So, let's set this on then. Alright, the shade is really pretty, and then this is in the shade Low Key once again. I really like it. I'm going to let it matte down for a bit. So I'm going to talk to you about the products that I received today. I will be testing the skincare brushes and this Grown Alchemist Biological Beauty Detox Night Cream later tonight. I can definitely edit a clip in and let you know my thoughts. And I really like the La Mosqua Unveiled Artistry Palette. It's a very cute packaging. It's all pink, and it has really pretty neutral colors. And those pinks are very beautiful as well. I did not test them, but they do look pretty. See, you have nice, like, bronze and a copper. And there's even, like, a dark brown shimmer. I would say, actually, this one's more gold, that one's bronze, and that one's copper, and then this is that brown one, and then, yeah, those pretty pinks, and these are all pretty much mattes. This one does have a little shimmer in it, but I don't really mind that. So, yeah, I really like that palette, and the packaging is so pretty, and it feels really nice. And it's magnetic. Alright, and then I do like the Dose of Colors Black Party Single Eyeshadow in the shade Slinky as well. It does have glitter in it, so just be wary. But I really like it, and I think it's a really pretty color. Great for New Year's. I'm probably gonna do this exact look for New Year's. And today I use the shade Low Key with the half-caked lip fondants. So it's really pretty, and you can always pop a lip gloss on, but you know, I think I'm gonna leave it matte today just because I have shimmer on my eyes. So yeah, that was fun putting in my Moxie lashes with this look. I'm sorry, I know this eye is a little different. This one's nice, and then this one, yep. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Alright, bye! Oh, hey guys, this is me. So I actually have another Dose of Colors single shadow. It's the Party Block Shadows, I think that's what it's called. Hold on. And I swear I will use this one. We'll give her time to shine. Yeah, it's the Party Block eyeshadow in the shade Lock and Key. It's a really pretty brown color, and I will definitely use that. So Perky, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I swear I didn't forget about it. Thankfully my mom found it. So yeah, I'm super excited to use that in my next video. Well, not after, I mean my next makeup video, because I have to do some other videos that I've been meaning to do. But anyways, yeah. So sorry about that. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright, bye.